Welcome to Country Girl Kathy Jarvis, and I am a mess. I know it. I just came out of the okra patch and I got an awful lot of okra, and I hadn't been able to get out there for a few days because of working on the shed and running back and forth to town and having different meetings and stuff. So I had a lot of okra out there, and a lot of it was gigantic. Now they tell you that you should use the little ones. I say it should be about 4 inches long. That's what you should use them. But sometimes they get bigger, and bigger isn't always a sign that they're bad. What you can do is squeeze them just a little bit, and if they give, they're usually good. I have some this size that are good. I have some this size that aren't good. Okay, so what am I going to do with all these that are woody inside? They kind of crackle when you, or they don't give at all. Or they kind of crackle when you push on them. Okra is a self-pollinating plant. They love the heat. I didn't plant a different variety. I just planted all the same variety. So these will be true seeds. They did not cross-pollinate with any other okra. So I can easily save the seeds from these batch of okra. Now, what am I going to do with these okra? I'm going to freeze them. And some people say you can freeze them without blanching. Some say you have to blanch them. I've done it both ways. Both ways are fine. And these I'm just going to chop up and to 1/2 inch pieces, because I'm going to use these mainly for to put in vegetable soups and different types of soups. I want some protein, and not protein, but I want some vegetables in. And I'm going to chop them up, and then I'm going to put them on a tray and put them in the freezer for 4 hours. Let them get frozen, and then I'll put them into the freezer bags. Okay, the first thing we're going to do with our okra, even if it came from the greenhouse or if it came from outdoors, first thing you're going to do is just rinse it underneath some water. Make sure there's no bug bites or bugs on them, and then put them on a paper towel and allow them to dry. Now, like I said, I'm going to do these just by freezing them without blanching them. But if you want to blanch them, you can steam blanch them for 4 minutes for the small pods and 5 minutes for the large ones. Toss them around about halfway through. Or if you want a water bath blanch them, you can blanch the small ones for 3 minutes and the bigger ones for 4 minutes. And either way, you need to put them in ice to cool them for about 3 minutes and then drain them well. But like I said, these we're just going to do like this. So the next step is get my little cutting board out, put them on here, and I'm going to cut the tops off. I'm going to nip the tips off, and then I'm going to cut them 1/2 inch spacing. Okay, this is what my okra looks like before I put it in the freezer. I'm going to put it in the freezer for 4 hours, leave it freeze, and then put it in the freezer bags. Now what you can do, you can also go ahead and bread this with your favorite breading, cornmeal or flour and spices, whatever you like, and then freeze it with the breading on, and that way you can use it for deep frying. Or you can just freeze it this way. If you're going to use it for soups or stews or casseroles, you can just throw them in frozen. If you want to deep fry them, you have to thaw them out, leave them drain a little bit, and then bread them, and then deep fry them. This is the way we're going to do it right now. We're just going to stick these in the freezer. And if you never tried one raw, they're really good raw. if you eat them raw, you get more of the vitamin A and C and the other benefits that they have. The more you cook them, the more of that goes down the drain. But they are quite tasty raw. I thought they would be slimy and stuff, but they're not. You just take one about like this, pop it in your mouth, and chew it. No slime whatsoever. Pretty good. So, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you've learned something. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.